children, today we are going to start with chapter 12, that is Delhi, which is the national capital territory of India, and all the important government offices lies over here only. So now you have to write 4 sentences about Delhi. Let's first study about its location. जो आपका दिल्ली है वो बाउंड्री शेयर करता है किसके साथ? हरियाणा और उत्तर प्रदेश के साथ. राइट, वी हैव ओल्ड दिल्ली एंड न्यू दिल्ली. सो दिल्ली इज द कैपिटल ऑफ इंडिया. वेयर इट इज लोकेटेड ऑन द मैप, you will find that in the north of India, it has been the capital city of many kings. And it was destroyed many times. और बहुत बार ये destroy भी हो गई है. So national capital territory of Delhi, where does it lies? It lies on the river Yamuna that flows from Delhi. Right, next, since it's a capital of India, government of India has its main offices here. जो हमारे प्राइम मिनिस्टर हैं, प्रेसिडेंट है, अदर मिनिस्टर हैं आपके, सब आपके कहाँ रहते हैं? आपके दिल्ली में ही रहते हैं. And it's extremely have a beautiful garden, that is Rashtrapati Bhavan, known as Mughal Garden. They are open for public just once in a year for a few days and when in the month of spring. So we find people almost all states like Delhi, therefore many festivals are celebrated here. Main ones being Delhi, Diwali, Dashera and Christmas. Eid, Holi, Guru Parv. And we have 3 national festivals. Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti. These all are also celebrated. Right? The popular dresses जो हैं लोग जो है पहनते हैं वो पहनते हैं shirt and trouser. And what do women wear? साड़ी इन सलवार, trouser and shirts are also popular. बहुत टाइम में बहुत मतलब मोस्टली गर्ल्स एंड वुमेन्स ऑल्सो वियर शर्ट एंड ट्राउजर. जो सेंट्रल सेक्रेटरीट है यहाँ पे सारे ऑफिसेज हैं आपके एंड गवर्नमेंट ऑफिसेज है विच इज वेरी लोकेटेड वेरी क्लोज टू राष्ट्रपति भवन. जो ऑफिस है आपका प्राइम मिनिस्टर का वो आपका सेंट्रल सेक्रेटरीट में लाई करता है. दिल्ली एक बहुत बड़ा बिजनेस सेंटर है. मेजर बिग बिग हाउसेज, बिजनेस हाउसेज लाइक are situated here in around Rajiv Chowk and Chandni Chowk. Rajiv Chowk आपको पता हो, Connaught Palace. The name is known by all the people over here. Now, Sadar Bazaar is a very big business center. Then we have Lala Lajpat Nagar Market, one of the biggest market in Asia. और ये किसके लिए जाना जाता है? Electronic goods के लिए. Delhi has most modern buildings, roads, flyovers. There are many stadiums where international events are held. The climate of Delhi वो vary करता है, right? All the year around. बहुत ज़्यादा गर्म है, hot in summer, cold in winter. यहाँ पे heavy rain भी होती है during monsoon. Pallav and the Indira Gandhi International Airport are in Delhi. Aeroplanes all over the country fly over here and world land over here. Delhi is beautiful city. There are many places of public interest. Let's study about some important buildings that we see in Delhi. First is Qutub Minar. You can see there that's Qutub Minar. It's a tall tower, बहुत बड़ा tower है and which was built by किसने बनाया? कुतुबुद्दीन ऐबक ने. Then we have Jama Masjid, beautiful mosque है and it's made up of red stone और किसने बनाया है? शाहजहां ने. Then we have Red Fort. Everyone must have seen a huge fort either in real or on television. And it's built in red stone by Emperor Shahjahan. The flag of India is hosted on it. और every 15th of August, जो 15th of August है, Prime Minister है and what he does, he hosts the national flag. Right? So this is all about in the chapter. Hope you understood each and everything. We will meet in the next class. Thank you for learning with me. Keep enjoying.